Hi guys, this is my Paslodes edition on YouTube. This is my go-to pin nailers, first fixers, second fixers that I use when I'm on site and when I'm doing a lot of repetitive nailing as well. So my first one I'm going to show you is the what I class as the first fixer, the IM350 Plus. Unfortunately for me, this isn't my original nail gun. My first nail gun got stolen by some scumbag, and that thing I had from my apprenticeship till about 2000 and I think it was 17 when that got stolen. So rest in peace that nail gun. Anyway, moving forward, I then purchased this one, which is slightly the older, well, the new version, but the old version with the old gas, if that makes any sense. I think guys out there will understand that. The old battery. That's my first fixer. Always, if I've got someone working with me, that's the one I let them use if we're doing roofing. And then my second one is the IM360C lithium battery. Oh my goodness me! Lasts a week, all day. It just never dies. Unbelievable. So Paslodes, your best ever gun yet. The only thing I find a bit annoying is it's a bit like when you're nailing away and you go and nail that bit and you run out of nails and you curse the gun because it's user error. It's the same thing with this. If you put it down, have a chin wag, come back to it, go and fire, and then you forget, hey, what's going on here? You got to press the little button on the side. Start the energy button there. It takes a while to get used to that. You get there eventually. So that's the first fix. The next one, which is, I believe, you no longer need an apprentice when you've got a PPN gun. Simple as that. This thing is the joist hanger truss clip master. Unbelievable. It's just phenomenal. The PPN 50CI, also lithium, also the same start energy, still gas on this model, but for joist hangers and all the old twisties, which all carpenters will know about twisties, it is the most painstakingly boring job ever given to an apprentice. This thing will change that. And then the next one is undoubtedly my favourite gun from Paslodes. It's the IM65 F16, the second fix nailer, the straight one though, not the angled one, because no contractor will give you angled nails because angled nails are too expensive. They'll supply you these because these are cheaper, and this is, well, it is phenomenal. It's brilliant. I've never used the battery ones, as in the other models, as in I think Hitachi, Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita do a second fix nail gun. Yes, there's less of a noise when you fix the material, but I just think you just can't beat a Paslodes, especially when the customer's not expecting it. Always shout the famous "fire in the hole," bang, and they always jump. And then my go-to, if you're on a big site and you're not allowed to use gas, because I'm sure something will change soon, gas is not eco-friendly and all that, I've got my framing nailer. I don't think they make these as much as they used to, Airline. This thing is a beast. Takes up to the 90mm nails. Airline, I use it in the shop when I've got a lot rather than using the gas. It's a lot quieter. And then I have also got a eBay special when I'm in the shop. Doing a lot of panel pinning. Then I don't want to use the gas nailer, you know, because it gets a bit repetitive. I've got a Wolf. It says exactly what it says on the tin. Air nailer. It's very good. It does the job as a Paslodes. I just didn't see the point in spending 150, 200 quid on something I use not as much as probably the second fix one. there you go, that's Ryan's Paslode kit. That's what I use as a carpenter, and it's taken me 20 years to build that up. So guys, it doesn't come easy, and it doesn't break the bank, but you have to buy it over a period of time. But yeah, it's taken me 20 years to collect that lot, and I use them all the time. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. Thanks for watching.